Hey guys, today I want to be showing you guys two problems about Gorebox that I'm playing on mobile. The first thing is that the flashlight here, there is no button for me to click besides from kicking. This is a huge problem, but since it's a beta, Jesus might fix this. And the second one is the post processing. Okay, go here. If you click, I see nothing. I completely don't see anything about it. But when you click on give up, I die. And if I die, then it becomes the color like. Since I picked grayscale, so the color is grayscale, but I don't see it. Hold on, how about I do the same thing with tripod camera? See, it's the same thing. Like, it's all gray, but for me, it's not gray at all. It even works when I'm emoting. Look. See? I'm emoting. And it's completely gray because I turned on grayscale. How about winter? Makes the same thing as well. This bug goes to all of these. How about contrast? Same thing. I can't experience this in first person, but I can in third person with a tripod camera when I die, or even see. Those are the two problems. The rest is not a problem. Like these two, the Jazef and Nectar that I accidentally misspelled in my previous video about stop jumping. This guy has a voice. Where's Nectar? Nectar. Yeah. And the turrets. I don't have any problem with them. Except that. No, there's nothing. So there's also something bad about the rocket one. Is you only overpowered our gun, but a turret, but it goes pretty long. What about this? You see here. See that it is shotgun. This is a shotgun. It's a shotgun. Not a regular turret. It's a shotgun turret. So why does it have? So why does it have to be? You see here? It's weak. It's weak. Look, he's only doing a little bit of damage. It takes so many times to just kill him. Unlike the game's shotgun. The regular shotgun here. You see here. No. Look. See? It's so powered. But that's not a problem. Or it might be. So yeah. Meh.